Hello everyone, today we'll be making a design vase in such a shape. It's a toroidal shape, circular with an opening on top. So first of all, analyze design, look at all the details, try to find a picture with dimensions. Unfortunately there's none here, but it's such a simple shape that it should be easy to make. Let's select this one. Now we see here there's 5 by 31 diameter centimeters. So let's download the picture. Save. We'll go to Fusion. Insert canvas. Find the picture that we downloaded. Select the front face. Okay. Most important step. Right click calibrate. And now we will specify the dimensions. Should be 310 millimeters. Good. Now we can also edit canvas and move it in the center, or try to move it in the center of the origin. Maybe it will help us. Okay. Now we'll go to sketch, front face, circle, 120 looks like. We can also dimension it, hit D as dimensions, click 120, enter. Now we will go to rotate it a bit, click on the circle, select the plane. You need to have the 3D sketch enabled with a check mark on it. We'll click on this face and we will draw a circle, 90 millimeters. We can again dimension it by hitting D. And let's do 92. Almost 93, 94. Only to move it a little bit to the inside. Everything what I'm pressing you should see on the screen. Like this. That is that. Click finish sketch. Now we will go to create and sweep. Or we could have just done a revolve, also true. But this way it's universal. If you would need any other shape, you would know how to make that. Because in sweep function, you select the profile and then the path where it's following. So now profile, path, that we have there. Okay. Now we can focus on the top part. So we will create a offset plane from this. We'll move it up. If we're looking from the front, we can visually check where it is. About here. Okay. And then on this plane, we will make a sketch again of a circle. And then we can look from the front and to see what should fit the best. Again, the dimensions. And then let's say 60. Perfect. Okay. And now we can do simple extrude. And just drag it down. Now it was cutting into material. We need to be joining. So join, click OK. Shape is almost there. Now we will do the fillet. Click on the edge, drag it. 25 looks about right. Enter. It's rounded on the bottom as well, so fillet the edge. And let's try to make, here it looks like we're hitting the limit. If I drag it slowly, 35 should be alright. The last step is to hollow it out. Click on shell, the face that you need the opening in, and then specify the width. Let's say 4 millimeters. From the pictures looks more. Let's try 5. And the last step, have the radiuses on top so it looks natural, like from clay. 2.5 is the sweet spot. We can turn off the canvas here with the eye. Okay, the shape is finished. Let's go to appearance. Try to find something black. And we can pick from this. Was a matte color, so let's go with plastic matte. Click on here, download it. Once it's finished, you can drag and drop. Perfect. And as always, save it with a name. 31 centimeters. And we can also do a quick render to go with the model, that it is easier for you to decide which models you need. Okay, the last step, to create a render. Go to render tab, in render canvas, position it in the center. Great. And you can capture the image, or if you want high resolution, then go to render here, specify the resolution you need, aspect ratio, and then click render. And as always, if you need any other models to model, to have tutorials on, just write it in the comments, and then we'll try to make it to help you out and to help others. So thank you very much, and bye bye.